Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about time management and how I manage my time effectively as a student athlete by planning accordingly on what I will be doing on a daily basis. So yeah, let's get right into it. So basically, when I do my planning for the week, I make use of two apps called Notion and Notion Calendar. So Notion is about creating databases and also creating workspaces as well in order to organize your lifestyle plans, your sports, anything you want to like keep track of. You can create databases and input data inside this app. And then Notion Calendar, which relates to Notion, is basically anything that I put in my calendar on Notion will appear in the Notion calendar itself, so then I can easily see what's gonna happen in my week from the Notion data that I've inputted on my badminton database. This is now my life operating system that I use to keep track of everything usually in my life. So yeah, if I go into the badminton database that I've created myself, so in this database I can add buttons to add tournaments, performance goals, and training. So I keep track of everything related to badminton inside this database, and yeah, it's easier for me to keep track of everything that I do, and it's also very convenient for me to make use of this system. So if you guys do want to see a tutorial about this, there's a lot of videos on YouTube, and if you want to see how I make it myself, I can also do that. But yeah, if you need any more information about Notion, it will be on YouTube videos and stuff, because that's where I learned it from. I can recommend a few in the description below. Okay, so firstly I will start by adding my training sessions for the week on the Notion calendar, and it will also appear my database in Notion itself. So yeah, usually I go look at what training I have first and then plan my classes accordingly. As I'm doing my studies online this year, because of the online studies, I can schedule my classes whenever I have time, so I'm more flexible in terms of studying. But yeah, we still have to keep track of both badminton and studies, as it's still quite important. As you guys can see, this is how I manage my time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below if you need any tips relating to time management, and also subscribe to the channel. This is me, and yeah, signing out.